Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we have another Loukoumades recipe video for you today, but this time it's going to be from a box. So we'll see how this goes. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my original video. I'll link it right up here where I make my family's recipe of Loukoumades from scratch. But this time, I'm going to be using this. So this is Jotis dumplings with yeast. But it says on here they're, Greek dumplings, Loukoumades, same thing. But I want to see how this comes out from a box because I've never made it like this before. So I want to see, is it comparable? Is this something that I would recommend to you guys? You can just go ahead and get this off of Amazon, add water to it, and it's the same thing. I don't know. We shall see. This is the first time that I'm using it, so I have no idea what to expect or what to tell you, and this may be a fail. I don't know, but we'll see. So this literally says you have your powder in here. It comes with a thing of yeast and you just add lukewarm water. Okay, so I'll find a better picture for you guys to show you what this looks like because Amazon had to put a nice big old sticker right in front of it, but that's what it looks like. I can link it down below if this works out and you guys want to try it. But let's see what we have here. Okay. We have this. Oh, here's yeast. Okay, cool. So this says it makes 50 to 60 dumplings. I guess that's just going to depend on the size of the Loukoumades little donuts that you decide to make. And all you're going to do is mix this together, it says, and add some lukewarm water. And then we're going to do exactly what we did in my other video. Just let that rest and rise for 45 to an hour, depending, in a warm place, and then we're going to fry them up. So let's get started. Let me see. Okay. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay. This kind of looks like flour. So now we're going to add in our yeast. Ooh. It doesn't smell anything, but I wonder what's in there. Do they already have salt, sugar, everything like that in there? And then what do we need? We need 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Okay, so we have our 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Now it says to just mix this. I'm just going to use a hand mixer. Or I lied, a whisk. And I'm just going to mix this up. It says just to do this until everything is smooth and creamy. A little bit different than my recipe, You add the water, you wait for the yeast to activate and get all bubbly, and then you mix everything together and you have, I don't know, a little bit different, but we'll see. So this is what we look like right now. See, it's very elastic like that, kind of pretty similar, I guess, to the one that I make. This is just a little bit, it seems like a little bit different consistency, but okay. This is all blended, so now it just says to cover this and leave it in a warm place for about 45 minutes until it rises, and then we're gonna come back and fry them. So I'll see you guys in 45 minutes and we'll see what this looks like. Okay guys, so we're over by the stove. You can hear we're already crackling here. Now, I didn't have the microwave on or anything, of course, but I just had it kind of sitting in there because I had the oven on and different things. So it was in a warm place, rising. So this is what we've got. You guys see that? Jiggler, jiggler, jiggler. So it's definitely what you want to see. Now, right off the bat, I noticed this did not rise as much as mine normally does. Now, I don't know if that's because the method is a little bit different with just letting it kind of sit with the water and I don't know, but when I usually make it, you'll see in my other video, it was like huge. Huge, huge, huge. It was like filled up almost like this whole bowl. So, I'm going to take off my ring because it's going to get messy. And we're going to see how this goes. So I'm going to have another camera over here filming exactly what I'm doing so you guys don't miss anything. And we'll see how this goes. So I'm just going to use my same little kind of like coffee spoon thing. I don't know. Excuse me. Just to, oh, we're popping. Just to kind of measure this out. Okay, let's see. Be careful. Now you just don't want to overcrowd anything. You're just gonna do this for a couple minutes on each side, just till you're nice and golden brown, and we'll flip them around in a little bit. What did that box say, 30 to 50 or something? I don't know about that. Ooh, that's gonna be a nice one. This one right here, the money maker. And then I'm just gonna take one of these, don't know what it's called, one of these things, and this is what I'm gonna use to just flip them around once I see they're a little bit round. See, this one came out nicely. The other ones have like these bubbles and stuff too. Interesting. Just gonna let these fry up a little bit, and then I'll check to see how they're doing in a couple minutes and we'll flip them. And then all I have here waiting is just a plate lined with paper towel just to absorb any of that excess oil. And then again with the toppings, you can do whatever you want. You can eat them just like this. You can do powdered sugar, you can do cinnamon, you can do honey, you can do walnuts, you can do whatever you want to do. Totally up to you guys. I know different people from different islands, people have their own preferences and people use what they want. I kind of do a mixture of all of the above, but totally up to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to flip them now. Let's see. Alright, flip. There you go. These fluffed up quite a bit. So all we're going to do is the same exact thing, just let them chill and fry for another couple of minutes, just till the other side just gets just as nice golden brown. I just need an apron before all this oil splatters on me. Alright, so apron is on. The donuts are looking good. I'm excited to try these. I wish we can do a poll on YouTube like we can do on, you know, Instagram or something to see like what you guys think. How are they going to come out, better or worse than the originals? But can't do that. You can let me know what you think in the comment section below though. Alright guys, I think it's time. So, all we're going to do is let these cool down. I'm going to go ahead and fry up the rest of these, and then we're going to come back once everything's cooled, and we're going to put our toppings on and we're going to try some. Okay guys, so I have a batch right here, nice and hot, and it looks pretty similar to the ones that I typically make. So now it's time for our toppings. I'm just going to use some honey and cinnamon like I normally do. You've probably seen me use this on my channel now a couple times. Just take out this little stopper. Makes it super easy to drizzle your honey. Watch how easy. If you don't have one of these, I highly, highly recommend buying one. I use this all the time. Nope. And you don't have to plug it back in, but I typically do just to keep it from getting really messy. And then I'm just going to take some cinnamon right on top. So good. Okay guys, so now it's time for our taste test. Let's see. Okay. It's definitely good. It's not the same. So, if you're looking for like the authentic Greek Loukoumades donuts, yes, this is, I guess, a Greek recipe, but I mean, I clearly ate it, right? So it is good. It's not like nasty and oh my god, but it's definitely not the same. So it's a little bit dense. It's kind of tough, if that makes sense. It's very crispy on the outside, but not so much like I'm used to, like with our family and original recipe. Like, yeah, it's definitely crispy on the outside, but not like hard and tough like that for me. I just kind of like bite into. Like, these shouldn't be like stale Loukoumades. So definitely, in my opinion, I don't think these are comparable to the ones that I made from my family or original recipe. It's not the same. It's not a dupe. I wouldn't go buy these on Amazon thinking like you're saving yourself a step and this is just way easier. I mean, you still gotta let it sit and rise for 45 minutes. It's the same thing, basically, like the steps. So you're better off, it's really easy making it on your own if you want to get that really good, authentic Greek donut, just golden, a little bit crispy, super soft and moist on the inside, not like tough like this. It's very surprising of why it's so tough, because there wasn't a ton of mixing or anything going on here, or gluten or whatever, but meh, definitely good, not the same. If you guys have tried these out in the past, or if you guys want to try them out, definitely let me know what you think in the comments section below. Did you think they were good? Did yours come out better than mine? Do you think they're crappy? Do you not care? You're just going to order those because you don't want to have to measure out all the flour and stuff yourself. I don't know. Let me know in the comments section below what you think, your thoughts, your feedback, and let me know if you guys want me to make more videos like this in the future. I definitely think that they're fun just to kind of see, are there really hacks out there? Are there shortcuts? Can you buy these other things that are pre-made and it's going to taste the same? I'm curious to see what other things I can try out there and kind of compare it to things that I already do or that I already make here at home. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. I will be checking. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.